Good morning. I wanted to do a little micro lecture over Chapter 9. So, Chapter 9 talks about team development. And this is something that, if you're not already doing this, you will definitely be doing this in your professional career as you move into business or management or marketing or anything that you're going to go into. So, working in a collaborative setting is what a lot of companies are doing now. And the reason they do that are for all the obvious reasons. When you're working in a team collaborative environment, you're getting a diverse group of people. So therefore, you're getting a diverse group of ideas. People are able to easily bounce ideas off of each other. It gives you more of a well-rounded conceptual approach to decision making. And the other thing too is we have a very diverse group of customers. We have a diverse group of employees. So it's important to be able to collaborate and to look at different perspectives, looking at ideas from all different standpoints. So, anyways, when a group first comes together, they do what is called team development. And there are virtually 5 stages to team development, which is what I want to talk to you about today. So, the first stage in team development is forming. So in the when we are forming in team development, what that means is that we are coming together. So in the forming stages of team development, you're kind of getting to know each other. Everybody is being polite. There's just um, a lot of superficial talk. We're just kind of like seeing where we fit in. Everybody's kind of taking a stand back and wait to see approach about what's going to happen next. Then the second phase of going into team development is called storming. And in the storming phase, this is where people get a little bit more comfortable with one another. And at here, their real personalities start to emerge. So you're not into that surface niceties. You're more, people are trying to understand what their role is. Organic personalities are coming out, and therefore, we might rub each other the wrong way. But the reason they call it storming is because the nuance of the newness is off, and people are often jockeying for position. There's a lot of ambiguity and uncertainty, which makes people feel uncomfortable. Once we get through all that, then we get into the performing stage. And this is where we actually now we know our role in the group, and now we're getting together to actually do what we were meant to do when the group was founded. So now we are actually getting involved in the role. So now we are working together. People are comfortable with their role in the organization. They're comfortable with their role within the group. They are actually performing. And it's in the performing stage that the work gets done. So, what we want to see in the performing stage is we want to see a cohesive group. And cohesiveness is the extent to which the group members are attracted to the goals of the team and they are motivated to stay part of the team. So, like if it's a winning team, people want to be on that team. If people are getting along, if they're accomplishing a lot, that's cohesiveness. People want to be part of something that is successful. So hopefully when you're in that performance stage of team development, you are moving into a cohesive landscape. People are doing the work, they're feeling good about the work, they understand where they are within the group, and the group is making progress. The next stage of the group dynamics is all about, reporting those results. Have we done what we're supposed to do? It's taking a look over the findings. It's reporting what we have all come to understand and summarize. And then, of course, the last part of the group is adjourning, which means a lot of groups just simply get together to complete a certain task. So, it might be a safety issue. We have people from all over the organization come together to form a group so we can address safety issues, or we can address issues with inventory disappearing, or we can take a look at opening up another store in another country. But we've got these different groups that come together just for the experience of solving a problem, of doing investigative work. So once that is over, then the group adjourns. Okay. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I'm here if you need me.